Try another shotty.
Hold on.
I'm just gonna like sit here for a second.
Kind of hit then.
Fuck you.
I saw them too many times. Pot stick to hair.
Pot sticks the hair?
Lollipop stick to hair.
Yeah.
Oh.
You have to get them like semi like dry, not like super wet. Yeah.
That's what he said. Well, test this theory.